Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. I've just been busy with life and I haven't done too much flying. It's spring, so the winds are just atrocious right now. So haven't really had too many updates, but I did get out and fly to a couple local farm strips, so I'm gonna share that in here. But first off, the one thing that I did do is update my tail wheel. I upgraded my original Cessna 170 tailspring to the T3 suspension system, which is from Alaska Gear Company or Airframes Alaska. So I'll show you guys that. It's already installed and it's signed off. It comes with an STC, so that's been taken care of. And yeah, we'll show you guys what it looks like. So the big thing is I already had the baby bush wheel and this is compatible with it. So that's pretty cool. It just bolts right on and they both work together. So here we go. I've got a baby bush wheel here and there's the T3. So the T3 bolts right on, original bracket area. You've got two springs on this one. So both springs are in here. They've got the dampening already set and then rebound. And then I had to add some chain links, which they come with it. So from here down, this is all the baby bush wheel I bought to upgrade the tail wheel assembly earlier. So that's all on here. Pretty excited. So yeah, I haven't really been able to put it to good use yet. There hasn't been much flying. Like I said, it's been windy. It's spring, so a lot of the fields are soft and muddy. Not really a big deal for all the bush wheels I have on this, but I just don't want to tear up people's property. So I'm waiting for it to dry out a little bit, waiting for the winds to die down, and then really, I just don't have any free time right now. So pretty soon I'll be able to get out and fly and show you guys around and probably hit something fun soon enough, so stay tuned. All right, and like I said, I went to a couple of farm strips recently, so I'm gonna show you guys some footage from flying into a friend's strip. I just flew in and landed, turned around and took back off. I didn't shut down or anything, but it was just cool to, drop in, check it out, and then get back out of there. So I'll show you guys some footage of that now. We're just flying around. I'm flying up the Shenandoah River. Just gonna go buzz my parents' house, I guess, and go back home. I don't want to be out too long. Wife and the baby. But I just wanted to get out and fly. This is good because I was able to pick up some gas. I always go to Farm Royal because they have cheap gas. They have the grass runway. It is really cool. Talk to some people. Right now I'm flying by kind of coming up on the West Virginia border here, and so I text some friends sometimes. This is a habit I have where I don't have a solid plan before I go fly. So some of the people that are like kind of call or notify before you fly, I will text them while I'm flying and be like, can I land at your place? So obviously I should plan it ahead of time and do it ahead of time. But we'll see. If some people text back, I'm gonna drop in. If not, I'll just keep on flying. Obviously for charted official airfields, I just pack the NOTAMs, check, do the whole thing. But it's when it comes down to friends' little, backcountry strips, I like to pop in. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Out, and we're going to land in here and just take right back off and head home. So
Cirrus 521 Delta Alpha, runway 26, wind estimated variable is 6, clear for takeoff into right traffic, runway 26, report right downwind.
Alright, I'm just kind of listening to the tower since I was close by. We're going to turn them off for a second. Go to a CTAF. Alright, now we're back. Let this thing cool off a little bit.
We are almost there. Okay. Everybody's recording. A little bit of footage, why not, you know? Alright, they're all on. Oh, birds slow. Have to wait for 2 seconds. Okay. Field's in sight. Gonna enter this downwind a little bit. Here, looks good. Alright, I cleared the runway earlier to check it and then turned back towards it now. The runway's clear. It's a cool spot because you're right on the river. But today, I'll make sure that river does not have a huge, cool, sinking wind with all this heat that's kind of on the land right now. Just trying to fly off a little bit more to get my airspeed down and get the flaps out nicely. This looks good right here. Let it set for a second. There's that airspeed trending down. Flaps out. Alright, making the turn. Base turn. Flaps are at 20 degrees. Power's already been back twice, mixture's in a little. Make sure I descend, but I don't pick up airspeed, and also don't force too much cold air over the engine to cool it. Here we go. So I got a little bit of speed. I was a little high. Scrubbing off that speed now. Well within the flap range, but I just like to be mindful of that. All gonna come together right here now. And everything is set. Flaps are 40 degrees. Flaps all the way in. Mixture's all the way in. Speed's looking good. Right over these trees. Perfect. Nice little bounce here. We'll just taxi back up and take right back off. So there it is, looking good. So it's like a whole family farm here, which is really cool. But I don't know if she told the rest of everybody that I was coming, so I'm just gonna take right back off. Alright. I mean, I have permission to be here from them too, but I think they like to know. Alright. Looking good though. It's cleared out, pushed out, trees around the Runway, I like it, I like it. Right. Alright, flaps are set. Trim is set. Everything's full in, lights are on, here we go. And good speed. Clear. Try to unload the wing a little bit, not G it up. Ooh, bird. Not hit you, a little bit of flaps out. 1, 2, 3 more. Okay. Love the birds. Good speed. Flaps out. And we head home. I don't see anybody yelling in the yard, so either she told them or they didn't care. Alright, headed straight home. Just keep it in for the climb here for a second. I'll put the house in. There's traffic. Everybody's off to the right. Looks clear here.
Altimeter 2997. Thank you.
Okay.
25661 Echo, runway 26 Echo 1, line up and wait. Line up and wait, 26 Echo 1, 9561 Echo. 424 Bravo Charlie, left traffic approved, report left downwind midfield. 424 Bravo Charlie. Here's 521 Delta Alpha, departing my airspace to the southeast, frequency change approved, have a great day. Thanks for your help, change approved, back to left Delta Alpha. Tower, RV 420, Romeo Victor, flight of 2 RVs, 2,000 feet, about 5 miles to the south. And calling to the south, flight of 2 RVs, what's your numbers again? That's 420, Romeo Victor.
Green line is traffic, Cessna 34 Charlie, left base 21, full stop, green landings. Alright, turning base, clearing. Everything's looking good, and we'll just let that power setting take me around the turn. What do I see down there? Some trucks on the runway. Might be a plane. No, it's a truck and a bobcat or something. Cool. Golf cart. Green line traffic, Cessna 34 Charlie, final 21, full stop, green landing. Alright, we are all set up. Ready to land, speed's coming back, power looks good.
that's really all I have for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Short and sweet today. Like I said, I installed the new T3. Wanted to show you guys. Hopefully I can put that thing to good use. And then I've really only gotten out once or twice to go fly, but I figured I'd take you guys along with me. So hopefully next time there's something more fun. Trying to get out to Sun and Fun. We'll see if I am able to sneak out. It's been a lot in the household with the baby, so I'm not trying to leave the wife alone. But yeah. Hopefully Sun and Fun, and then maybe just fly out, meet up some friends and go fly and hit some backcountry stuff. So stay tuned, follow along. Hopefully you guys like this, and if you do, like, subscribe, follow. It really helps me out, and I appreciate all the feedback, comments, and likes, everything. So appreciate you guys out there, and hopefully you'll see another good video here shortly. So see ya.